We're going to make tree planting fun and invent a tree planting gun. This squirrel's got nothing against me. This is our modified leaf blower. I need to brace myself. We've got some airsoft grenades. Yeah! Oh, there we go. Hey guys, we're teaming up with Mr. Beast, Mark Rober, and hundreds of other YouTubers to plant 20 million trees by 2020 to help combat climate change. The movement is called #TEAMTREES. And hundreds of creators are coming together to raise donations for the Arbor Day Foundation, which is one of the largest tree planting organizations in the world. And they've been around for 49 years. For every dollar raised, they will plant a tree. The goal is to raise $20 million to plant 20 million trees in the next 2 months. To donate, just click the big donate button below. 100% of the proceeds will go to Arbor Day, and YouTube's even covering all the transaction fees. For more information, check out teamtrees.org. To do our part, we're going to make tree planting fun and invent a tree planting gun. But first, a big thank you to our sponsor, The Ridge. The Ridge is a minimal front pocket wallet that's a way better way to carry your cash and cards. With over 30,000 5-star reviews and a lifetime warranty, you can't go wrong. Plus, there's dozens of styles available. Use my coupon code Hacksmith to save 10% and get free worldwide shipping. Thanks to our sponsor, we're donating $2,400 to TEAMTREES. Now, let's go plant some trees. Now, obviously, in order to plant, say, 20 million trees, we're gonna need 20 million seeds. So we made a few posts on Instagram and Twitter to crowdsource all the seeds we needed. And boy, did it work.
TEAMTREES.
So many acorns.
Did I get a strong volunteer? Or two?
Exciting.
Oh, awesome. You good? Cool. Does anyone want to try lifting a Stormbreaker? Holy cow!
That is heavy.
Nice. Got it?
Yeah.
There we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, so obviously we have 1 barrel of acorns. It's roughly about 21,000 acorns. So if we wanted to plant 20 million oak trees, we would need 1,000 barrels. It would look something like this. That's a lot of nuts! Oh, my knees! Alright, so funny story. After our fans collected almost 20,000 acorns, the squirrels took revenge. Literally, a squirrel chewed through one of the transformers on the hydro pole across the street and actually caused a power surge throughout this entire building. It actually damaged some of our computer equipment and the UPSs. Don't mess with the squirrels. Alright, so how are we gonna shoot all these nuts? Well, it turns out these long skinny ones actually fit perfectly in a paintball gun. Boom! Yeah! Squirrel's got nothing against me. Alright, so as you can see, Acorn paintball gun works pretty good. But let's see how good it will be at actually planting an acorn in this pot. Assuming I can hit it. Yes! Didn't work. Anyways, what if we want to shoot more paintballs per minute? Paintballs, acorns. Because obviously we're not going to be able to plant 20 million trees using a single shot paintball gun, right? Luckily, we've made something better. Say hello to my little friend. This is our modified leaf blower, capable of shooting 100 rounds per minute of acorns. Let's try it out. Alright, so that worked pretty good, but shooting 100 acorns per minute, it would take 148 days to plant 20 million trees, planting non-stop 24/7. So that's not really realistic, but we have something a bit better. So in case you guys don't know what this is an older project of ours. It's actually the world's largest man-made portable leaf blower. This produces over 50 pounds of thrust, which means I need to brace myself. Let's see what I can do. Load me up! That's pretty good. We need more acorns. Alright, Ian, let's try that again. How many acorns per minute was that? So that was about 4,000 acorns in what, 30 seconds? So that's 8,000 acorns per minute. Do some quick math.
42 hours.
42 hours. That's more like it. That's actually doable. But you know what's even more doable? Donating to the TEAMTREES campaign by using the donate button below the video. $1 equals 1 tree, and YouTube covers all the transaction fees. We'll be personally donating $2,400 to this campaign to plant 2,400 trees. Roughly, there's 400 trees per acre, so that means we're actually planting 6 acres, or the equivalent of 4.5 football fields worth of trees. Now that's pretty awesome. Alright, so what if we want to plant 20 million trees faster than 42 hours? Well, mustard plants, while they aren't technically trees, they do grow to about 30 feet tall, which is crazy, and they have some of the smallest seeds of any plant. In fact, this one bottle has over 400,000 seeds in it. So, we've got some airsoft grenades. Now how these work is there's actually a CO2 cartridge inside, and when you pull the pin like this, hey Ian, catch! Oh jeez. Okay, that was a bit dangerous. We have one more plan for the mustard seeds though, besides the grenades. What we did is we actually produced some mustard seed paintballs. So each of these paintball shells actually has around 50 to 100 mustard seeds in them. So now we can shoot a ton of mustard seeds. Perfect. All right, so to demonstrate the power of the mustard seed gun, we got some clay pigeons to shoot at. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my God. Finally, we have one more method of planting trees. The good old, faithful potato cannon. But instead of launching potatoes, we're gonna be launching these apples filled with apple seeds. Spray in some butane. Tighten up the cap, take aim. Woo! Potato cannons are great. Another! Ooh, that was a good seal. That wasn't very powerful. Whoa. Ready? Oh, there we go. Nice. Boy, I can't wait till these apple trees spread out of this awesome dirt pile. We're gonna have apple trees in the dirt pile. So many trees. Only you can help us plant trees by donating to teamtrees.org. Links below. Alright, so some of these tree planting ideas in this video might seem a bit far-fetched. But did you know there's already a company out there that uses drones to shoot seed missiles in order to plant trees? And they can plant 40,000 per day per drone? That's crazy. If you can, please donate to TEAMTREES.org. It's an awesome cause and the world needs more trees. Thanks for watching, guys.
Nuts are back on the
Man, you can stand on nuts.
The ultimate method of transport is barrel.